everybody. I've been running options for over 27 years, basically in the business of helping companies find talent they can't find themselves. So we've been hiring solutions over a network of 530 plus like-minded consultants across 61 countries, helping companies find local talent globally. Personally, I've been fortunate enough to be ranked by one of the leading HR organizations in the world that I'm among the top influential people in HR in India using social media, and this has been done 4 times over the last 6 years. So next slide, please. So my gives are my clients. These are clients who are global clients who I've been working for over the last 15-20 years. Some of these brand names which I've shared on this profile are global, and I'm sure you recognize them. I not only have connections with HR people in these companies, but a lot more companies which I have not yet mentioned on this. Next slide, please. As I mentioned, just like BNI, I'm part of a global network of recruiters, and where we collaborate, and therefore we have extended reach across 61 countries. So should you need any HR professional in any of these 61 countries, please let me know. I'll be glad to connect through my extended network. So yeah, next slide, please. So now I'll come to my LCDs 1, 2, and 3. As I mentioned, I've been a recruiter, a global recruiter, and this would probably has been made possible by Colin. I help MNCs hire returning Indians. So these are Indians with international experience who are the best slotted people now for any operations in India. In the past, we used to have companies sending expats on a secondment for 2 to 3 years, and it would take them quite some time to hit the ground running. So the next best options are in Indians with international experience. We have over 1,000 R&D companies, probably the top Fortune 1,000 companies, all of them having Indian operations. And so should you come across any client setting up an operation in India, do think of me. I can find them global talent. Next, please. You'd also know that between India and China, we probably have half of the world's population. So most of these countries are now becoming global, and when they expand to other markets, with the kind of visa restrictions now with most companies are having, these companies would need great local talent to man their operations in the specific country. So should you have any companies in your country, or would you have great talent in your country who would be great fits, I'll be a good referral. Okay, I'll help Indian companies hire foreigners. Next slide, please. This is yet another thing which has happened over the last year or so. I've been collaborating with recruiters internationally. For example, just this year, I helped an Israeli company hire Spanish-speaking people in Colombia and Mexico. One of my clients in India started operations in Vietnam, and we needed to hire a Vietnamese-speaking person in Ho Chi Minh City, and thanks to my extended network, I was able to provide them. Another Indian multinational company, which runs the facility management for the Singapore airport, 2 out of the 3 terminals, with having about 3,000 employees who are blue-collared workers and Chinese speaking, they needed a CEO of Singapore nationality. So my company Options helped an Indian MNC hire a Chinese speaking Singapore national in Singapore. So this is the power of collaboration. Next slide, please. So just to repeat my asks, should you know of any companies setting up offices in India, do let me know. Indian IT professionals are probably world-class now, world-renowned. So if you have any IT companies wanting great talents which you're not able to attract in your own country, please let me know. I can refer good Indian talent who are not only in India, but across the world. And thirdly, please connect me to recruitment consultants in your contact sphere who are ready to handle international business.